I would like to welcome everyone to the channel. In front of me, there's a question paper. It's a grade 10 question paper. Let's try and answer some few questions. Alright, question 1. Classify the following numbers as rational, irrational, or non-real. Alright, 1.1 is minus square root of 125. So because of the minus sign, it means whatever that we get out of that square root, it will be affected by this negative sign. So the answer will be negative because of the negative sign. But that's not the question. The question says we must determine, or we must tell whether the number is rational, irrational, or non-real. So now let's see. Let's solve the square root of 125. The square root of 125 is 11,180,33989. So now we're going to press the SD button to check if the number can also be written in the form of a fraction. That will tell us whether the number is rational or irrational. If it can be written in a form of a fraction, it means the number is rational. If it's not, it means the number is irrational. Now let's press the SD button. You see, instead of us getting a fraction, we get a 5 into a square root of 5. So that means the number cannot be expressed in a form of a fraction. Therefore, the number is irrational. Okay. Minus square root of 125 is irrational. Alright, now let's move to 1.2. Now 1.2, we have the square root of minus 125. Now the simple definition of a square root, it is when, it means like we're looking for a number that can be multiplied by itself. So now if you multiply any negative number by itself, meaning with the same sign, the product will be positive, it won't be negative. Therefore, in this case, we don't have a square root of a negative number. So now, if that's the case, it means this number is non-real. Non-real. The square root of a negative number is non-real. So now we move to 1.3. So 1.3, they are looking for a cube root of 125. What is the definition of a cube root? A cube root, it is like we're looking for a number that can be multiplied by itself 3 times. For an example, 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 8. Therefore, the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Alright, so in this case, let's look for that number. Let's see. It's the cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. So the cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. So now we have to tell if this number is rational, irrational, or non-real. So this number is a real number. It does not fall under non-real numbers. This is a real number. But again, is this number rational or irrational? The number is rational. Why? Because the number can also be written in a form of a fraction. Minus 25 over 5 is minus 5. So now we are looking for the correct answer. The question said, classify the following numbers as rational, irrational, or non-real. So obvious, a number is a real number, so non-real falls away. The number can be written in a form of a fraction, therefore is not irrational. So it is what? Rational. Therefore, the cube root of minus 125 is rational. Alright, thank you guys for watching. For more info on the subject of the classification of numbers, rational, irrational, real numbers, and so on, please check on my previous videos. Thanks again for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe so that when new videos are uploaded, you can be notified. Thank you guys.